Hi, welcome to my channel. So this video is for the NTA UG Senate exam, merging of December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So after merging, what about the number of JRF slots and the relaxation in the age limit? Okay, we're going to see both these two. Relaxation in the age limit is also special point in this merging one. So you please concentrate both these 2 points, guys, and share this video to your friends or colleagues also. It will be helpful to them to get the more points regarding this one. Okay, and please subscribe the channel to get the regular updates regarding this NTA UG Net exam from now onwards, and after subscribing tap the bell icon and watch this video carefully until the end to get the complete details what I am going to tell, because I called to the National Testing Agency regarding this number of JRF slots, okay, and few more points also. So whatever the answers I got from them and whatever the clarity I got, that I'm going to share with you, it might be helpful to you guys in the or at the time of filling up of the online application form and everything. Okay, so let's start the video. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UG Senate December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. So regarding this one, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course for the paper one as well as the electronic science, and this crash course is going to start from 18th August onwards. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So regarding this one, the links I kept in the description box of this video, and to get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. The present content of the video, all of you know that it is the official website of the NTA UG Senate, and in this one, okay, we got the two notices, guys. First I will clear you the relaxation and then we'll go to the next point. So coming to the relaxation, previously all of you might know that the upper age limit for the general category is 30 years, I mean except females. Okay, and while coming to the OBC non-creamy layer as well as the SC and ST, 5 years relaxation is as usual thing. Okay, so but while coming to this time, whatever the notice, okay, they released the relaxation in the age limit of the JRF for June 2021 UG Senate cycle, or else this December 2020 cycle, here not more than 31 years as on 1/10/2021. Okay, they mentioned that 31 years, previously it was 30 and now the 31 years. So if you are the general category male, then even though if you are having the 31 years, I mean not more than 31 years as on 1st October 2021, you can apply, guys. Okay, and coming to the relaxations also, we will see here a relaxation up to 5 years is provided to the candidates belonging to OBC non-creamy layer. That means relaxation 5 years means for OBC non-creamy layer not more than 36 years. Okay, and SC, ST, PWD, third gender categories, and to women applicants also. Okay, women applicants, that means if you belongs to any category, okay, unreserved category, OBC category, okay, whatever the category it might be, okay, 5 years relaxation is provided. Fine. Relaxation will also be provided to the candidates with a research experience limited to the period spent on research in the relevant or the related subject. Okay, so few more relaxations are there, you may check down. Anyhow, this age limitations and the relaxations are each and everything for the JRF qualification only. And coming to the assistant professor, there is no upper age limitation. Okay, so I wanted to clear you first point regarding the age limitation for this UG Senate cycle. Okay, fine. And coming to the next point, that is, so it is a one more notice, right? So opening of the online portal for submission of online application form for June 2021 UG Senate. So in this one they mention here the slots of JRF of both UG Senate of December 2020 and June 2021 cycles will be merged, and the methodology for the subject wise cum category wise allocation of JRF shall remain unchanged. Here the meaning of merged is nothing but if the JRF slots for the December 2020 cycle is X and the JRF slots for the June 2021 cycle is X. Now after merging both these two, that means you are writing one exam for the two cycles for the 2x number of JRF slots. Did you understand, guys? 2x number of JRF slots. That means whatever the JRF slots of December 2020, the JRF slots of the June 2021, both these two will be added up. That's what I got the answer from the NTA if I call them. Okay, understand? I hope you clear. That means this time we are having the more number of JRF slots. We are writing one single exam. Okay, so it is the second point. And coming to the third point is that so many candidates are asking that, sir, we already applied the December 2020 cycle application, then we have to apply again for the June 2021. It is not at all necessary. Understand? It is not at all necessary to apply for the June 2021 cycle again if you already apply for the December 2020 cycle. Okay, if you want to get the confirmation regarding this one, whatever the application ID is there and whatever the password is there, you just enter your application ID as well as the password. Okay, just enter both these two, guys. That means if you click on this one and then you will be directed to here. Okay, so if you already registered for the December 2020 cycle, enter your application number as well as the password and then enter the security pin here and then click on the sign in. After signing in, okay, then you will get one confirmation page, guys. Download that one. If you once download the confirmation page, then you may check down that like this: UGC December 2020 and June 2021 cycles. You will get the heading as like this. Okay, that means if you already apply for the December 2020, you need not to apply again. Okay, so the same thing will be continued. Fine. So these are the 3 points I wanted to clear. So one thing is age relaxation. So this time it is 31 years. And coming to the next one about the JRF slots. Of course, the JRF slots, both these two cycles is merged. That means you are going to write the single exam for the huge number of JRF slots. It is the one point. And coming to the second point is that if you already applied for the December 2020 cycle, then you need not to apply for the June 2021 cycle separately. Need not to apply. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, guys, who are preparing for the UGC NET exam or else planning to apply for the UGC NET exam. And to get the more updates from the NTA, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen that one or else you may close this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.